morning, dear children. How are you all? Are you studying well? Yes, very good. Okay. Children, our portions almost over. Now what you have to do? Yes, you have to start revision. Okay, revise the third term chapters. Okay, let us start today's class. Listen carefully. Okay. Children, Tinu and Tina are planting some trees. Their teacher taught them about earth and environment. So they realized it is important to save our earth and environment, and they decided to plant trees. Look here, Tinu planted 3 trees. Tina also planted 3 trees. Listen, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. They planted 6 trees altogether. Did you understand? Tinu planted 3 trees. Tina also planted 3 trees. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether 6 trees. See here, 2 sets of 3 plants. First, Tinu's group. Isn't it? There are 3 trees. Second, Tina's group. There are also 3 plants. Isn't it? So, 2 groups of 3 trees. 2 groups of 3 trees. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. That we can also write like this. 2 groups of 3. 2 groups of 3 or 2 sets of 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. How can we read this? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Children, this is multiplication. Now, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 15, multiplication. Listen carefully. Multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly. What is multiplication? Multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly. Look here. First, Tinu planted 3 trees. Tina also planted 3 trees. So, 2 times 3, that is 3 plus 3. We added 3 repeatedly. Isn't it? 2 times. We added 3 2 times. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here we added 3 2 times. That also we can write like this. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Or 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Did you understand? Yes. Children, this is the symbol of multiplication. Into. Into is the symbol of multiplication. How can we read this? Into. Did you understand the symbol? Yes, it is the symbol of multiplication. Okay. Now, look here. There are 2 monkeys. 2 more monkeys join with them. See here, 2 more monkeys join with them. Now, total how many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? Altogether 6 monkeys. Or we can say 3 groups of 2 monkeys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. First there were 2 monkeys. Then 2 more monkeys join with them. Again 2 more monkeys join with them. So, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 2 monkeys. Isn't it? 3 groups of 2 monkeys. See here, 2 plus 2 plus 2. First, there were 2 monkeys. 2 more monkeys join with them. Again, 2 more monkeys join with them. Isn't it? So, 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to, how many 2's are here? 3 2's. 3 times 2. That we can written as 3 times 2, which is also equal to 3 into 2. This we can write like this. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 6 monkeys altogether. Did you understand? Yes. Children, listen here. How many ducks are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ducks. Okay. 5 more ducks joined with them. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more ducks joins with them. Okay. Now you see here, 5 plus 5. 2 times 5. Isn't it? Which is equal to 2 times 5. That also we can write like this. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Count altogether how many ducks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Altogether 10 ducks. That means 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Did you understand? Children, see here, we have arranged some flowers here. Look, in the first group, there are 1, 2, 3 flowers. Look at the second group, there are 1, 2, 3 flowers. Isn't it? That means 2 groups of 3 flowers. The first group, there are 3 flowers. In the second group, there are also 3 flowers. Total 2 groups of 3 flowers. So, how many flowers are all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All together 6 flowers. Isn't it? That we can write like this. See here, 2 sets of 3 flowers. 2 sets of 3 flowers. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 sets of 3 flowers. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Did you understand? Yes. Now look at this second group. Yes, there are some buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. In the first group, there are 6 buttons. Clear? Look at the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 buttons. See here, 2 groups of 6 buttons. Can you tell me altogether how many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether 12 buttons or 2 groups of 6 buttons. 2 sets of 6 buttons. 2 sets of 6 or 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Did you understand? Now the last group, there are some red buttons. See here, in the first group there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons. Isn't it? In the first group there are 4 buttons. Look at the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second group there are also 4 buttons. Look at the third group. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also 4 buttons. Now look here, 3 groups of 4 buttons. Total how many groups? 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. 3 groups of 4 buttons. Now tell me total how many buttons are there? Yes, altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether 12 buttons. 3 sets of 4 or 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 sets of 4 or 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Did you understand? Children, now we are going to learn skip counting. Skip counting is skipping and counting. Okay, fix a number to skip. Start the count from any given number. Okay, look at this question. Starting from 0, skip count in 2s. So, the starting number is 0 and the fixed number is skip count in 2s. So, our fixed number is 2. Did you understand? Now, what we have to do? First we have to draw a number line and then skip the fixed number and continue counting. So we have to start from 0. Okay, 0 to skip count in 2's. So first we have to skip 2 numbers from 0, 1, 2. We will reach on 2. Did you understand? Again we have to skip 2 numbers. 1, 2. Now we reach on 4. Again we have to skip 2 numbers. 5, 6. Clear? 7, 8. At last we reached on 8. Children, skip counting is adding a fixed number. Now you see here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Or how many times we skipped? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. Isn't it? 4 times we skipped 2. Isn't it? 4 times we skipped 2 and we reached on 8. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Which means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Did you understand? One more example. Starting from 0, skip count in 3's. See here. First we have to draw the number line and then in the number line we have to start from 0. 0 to 3. 3 to 6. Skip 3 numbers. Again 1, 2, 3. Now we reached on 9. That means 3 times 3 which is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. We reached on 9. Isn't it? The answer is 9. Clear? Okay. One more example. Starting from 0, skip count in 4's. See here. Number line is this. We have to start from 0. 0 to 4. First we have to skip 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached on 4. Again we have to skip 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we reached on 8. Did you understand? Yes, children. 2 times 4. That means 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Clear? Next we are going to learn multiplication table. Listen carefully. Look here. 2 ducks. Isn't it? So one group of 2 or 1 times 2. That we can written as 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1, 2 is 2. 2 more ducks joined with them. Now how many groups are there? 2 groups. 2 groups of 2 ducks. See here. 2 times 2. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That we can read like this. 2 2's are 4. Again 2 more ducks joined with them. Listen here. How many groups are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups. 3 groups of 2 ducks. 3 times 2. Isn't it? That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 2's are 6. Children, 2 more ducks joined with them. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 2 ducks. 4 groups of 2 ducks. That we can write like this. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 2's are 8. Children, like this we can write the multiplication table of 2. Clear? See here, table of 2. 2 into 1. That means one group of 2 is equal to 2. Again, 2 group of 2. 4. 3 groups of 2. Like this we can write the multiplication table up to 10. See here, 2 1 is 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10, 2 6's are 12, 2 7's are 14, 2 8's are 16, 2 9's are 18, 2 10's are 20. Like this we can read the multiplication table of 2. Listen once again. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Clear? Next we are going to learn multiplication table of 3. Listen carefully. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Clear? Next, we are going to learn the table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay. Next, table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Clear? These are the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 5. Children, you have to learn this multiplication table. It's very important. You should learn this all multiplication table. Then only we can do the multiplication problems. Clear? Okay. Next we are going to learn word problems. Listen carefully. Aditya bought 6 packets of toffees. Each packet had 3 toffees. How many toffees did he buy? The question is this. Aditya bought 6 packets of toffees. Each packet had 3 toffees. How many toffees did he buy? Did you understand the question? Yes, there are 6 packets of 3 toffees. 6 packets of 3 toffees. Clear? So, 6 groups of 3. Now, we have to arrange this number 6 and 3 in a table like this. In the table, there are 3 columns. First one is for ones, tens, and the last one is for multiplication symbol, into symbol. Okay. So, we have to write the numbers like this, 6 and 3. Now, recall the multiplication table of 3. You should learn the multiplication table. Then only we can do the multiplication problems. Listen here. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Write 8 under 1's column and 1 is under 10's column. Clear? 6 3s are 18. So the answer is 18 toffees. The answer is 18 toffees. Did you understand how to multiply two numbers? Yes, children. One more example. There were 3 boats. Each boat had 5 children in it. How many children were there in all? Listen the question once again. There were 3 boats. Each boat had 5 children in it. How many children were there in all? Here, 3 boats of 5 children. Isn't it? 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5. So, we can write the table like this. 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. Now, recall the multiplication table of 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So, you have to write the 15 like this. Clear? The answer is there are 15 children all together. Did you understand? Yes. Children, next we are going to do an activity. Look at this paper. See here. Yes, I have arranged some buttons. In the first case, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons in the first row. Isn't it? Look at the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are also 5 buttons. Clear? So, 5 plus 5. Can you tell me total how many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Altogether 10 buttons. That means 5 plus 5. In the first row there are 5 buttons. Second row also have 5 buttons. So 5 plus 5, 10. Look here. How many 5s I have written here? 5 plus 5. 2 5s. Isn't it? So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. We can write like this also. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Clear? Now look at the second case. There are some buttons. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. In each group there are 3 buttons. 3, 3, 3, 3. So 4 groups of 3. Now can you tell me total how many buttons are there? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Altogether 12 buttons. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether 12 buttons. See here how many times I have written 3 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 3. Isn't it? 4 times 3. That we can return as 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Do you understand? So you have to do this activity. Collect some buttons and prepare the groups like this. Okay. And take the photo of this activity and upload it into our WhatsApp group. Children, also you have to learn the multiplication tables. Do the textbook exercise and learn multiplication table. Clear? That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.